Welcome to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey through time, traveling back millions of years to when much of Central Europe was covered by water. The Pannonian Sea, ancient and mysterious, was home to incredible forms of life and played a crucial role in shaping the landscapes we know today. In this video, we'll explore what the Pannonian Sea was, how it formed, why it disappeared, and the legacy it left behind. The Pannonian Sea was a vast shallow sea that existed during the Miocene epoch, around 10 to 12 million years ago. Its waters covered the region we now call the Pannonian Basin, which includes parts of modern-day Croatia, Serbia, Hungary, Romania, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Slovenia, and Austria. Imagine endless blue waters teeming with marine life, shellfish, fish, algae, and many other organisms found their home in this massive ecosystem. What made it unique was its shallowness. The Pannonian Sea wasn't as deep as today's oceans, but it was large enough to influence the climate, soil, and life of the surrounding areas. It was connected to the Pannonian Sea, a significant water system that stretched from modern Central Europe to Asia. Its story is written in the geological layers we can still study today. To understand the Pannonian Sea, we must go even further back in time, tens of millions of years ago. Back then, tectonic activity formed the Alps, the Dinarides, and the Carpathians. These massive mountain ranges created a natural basin where water began to accumulate. But nothing on our planet lasts forever. Over millions of years, the Pannonian Sea began to recede due to a combination of tectonic shifts and climate changes. Rivers flowing into the sea deposited sediment, gradually filling it in. As water levels dropped, isolated basins, salt lakes, and marshlands were left behind. This slow desiccation eventually led to the sea's complete disappearance around 2 million years ago. Although the Pannonian Sea no longer exists, its legacy is visible everywhere. The sediments it left behind shaped the fertile soils of the Pannonian Plain, one of Europe's most important agricultural areas. Additionally, resources like oil and natural gas are the result of organic matter deposited on the seabed of this ancient sea. Saline thermal waters, such as those in Naftalon near Ivanic-Grad, serve as another reminder of the Pannonian Sea's existence. These waters have medicinal properties and attract many visitors today. Beyond natural resources, there are fossilized remains. For example, in Croatia, fossils of shellfish, fish, and even bones of ancient marine mammals have been discovered. These finds provide evidence of the rich life that once thrived beneath the waves of the Pannonian Sea. The Pannonian Sea may no longer be here, but its traces are forever etched into the landscape, natural resources, and history of this region. Imagine, every time you walk across the plain, you might be stepping on what was once a seabed. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, please support us with a like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments, had you heard of the Pannonian Sea before? What fascinates you the most about this ancient natural phenomenon? See you in the next video.